Hey sports fans, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? My name is Jordan Epps, and I want you to come along with me on this journey of unboxing videos. This is my first unboxing video, and I have a series of planes that I have to, I won't say build, because they're all foamies, except for this one. And so I'll say they're assembling those other planes. But I want to start off with this one because I want to get it built and I want to get it in the air. And so why not bring you along with my journey for assembling this this ARF? And what is it that you say? Oh, what is it? Oh, look at that. It is the Nexa P-38 Lightning and 2100 millimeters. And I got it from Ocean RC. And actually, I love the P-38. It's actually one of my favorite planes, if not my favorite plane from the World War II era. There's probably a few more up in there that would compete with it. But this is one of my planes that I just knew I just wanted to own from that era. So I got this from Motion RC, and why don't we open it up and see what's inside the box. Okay, and excuse my junky my junky workshop here. All right, so as you see, it's a pretty good sized box. It's probably about a good 3.5 feet long, probably about a good 18 inches wide there. So I have opened the box just to grab the instruction manual. So other than that, it's as you see it here. You get your instruction manual. Let's see. You get your instruction manual, as you can see right there. And it's your typical IKEA type, a lot of photos. A little bit of text there, a little bit of, nothing crazy. That's what you get there. And you get a set of decals. Okay. And there's, I did open this, there's like a drab and some gray stuff. But you got the good old 23 Skidoo. And I haven't really decided what livery, what scheme I'm going to use. So I may just do this because it's quick and easy and convenient. But of course there's always Putt Putt Maru and several others that are well known. So I don't know just yet. So let's take a look at what else we have. I will show you, well actually you can see from the top view. Let me switch back to the top view. This is how it is shipped. There's no foam like you may have seen in other planes, other boxes of this size. There's no foam here, and I don't know if that's necessarily a good thing or a bad thing. Less foam in the box means less foam in our landfill. But it may also increase, lack of foam may increase the number of damaged parts. Now, the box that you see at actually, the plane gets shipped in this box, but it's also in another box, a big brown cardboard box. So it is double boxed, and it seems to have arrived intact. What they've done, I don't know how well you can see it here, is they've taped the items to the box itself, which helps keep it from moving. But the only downside is, as you can see, the parts are very close to the box. So if anything penetrates the box, it's going to impact the plane parts themselves. But in my case, my box is pristine, so other than hopefully it hadn't gotten banged down, it should be okay. All right, so we have some pretty decent thickness cellophane plastic on the outside, and then on the inside the parts are wrapped in bubble wrap. I'll just throw that over there. Oh no. So this is one of the booms, nacelle, whatever you want to call it. And this is how it comes. Hopefully you all can see that very well. And let me switch over to the front view. So this is what you see. This is what you get. There. It is wood construction, no foam, and there's like this is like the covering is like a printed sheet. It's almost like, let's say, shelf paper, nowhere near as thick. That's pre-printed, and I assume it's been ironed on. So that's how it looks there. All right. There is a battery tray. Hopefully you can see that. And you access the batteries from a hatch on the bottom of the nacelle of the boom. Your gear door, and actually I already had taken the tape off of this. I can show you this. Oh, put that back on it. So you can see the battery area there. And there's the hatch. The gear door taped down, and I can already feel that the gear door is making contact with the wheel. So I can only imagine that the gear door will not close 100% flush. The retracts, as you saw from the top view, are already installed. Take a look at that. So the gear door not hinged as of yet. I don't know if there is a hardware pack that includes hinges, but the gear door are individual, and so that's what you get. Get the wheel, nacelle, the gear. And I believe these are 90-degree gear. They don't rake forward like P-38s are supposed to. So I think they're like 100. They're supposed to be either 100 or 110 degree. Maybe the mains are 100 and the nose gear is 110, something like that. But the P-38 does typically have a noticeable rake forward of the gear. But this, as my understanding, does not have it. The construction looks very nice. You have the rods, guides are pre-installed, not glued, as I can see, because it just moved. But looks very nice. There's your vertical and horizontal stab. No rudder, no elevator installed just yet. All right, so let me set this to the side. Set you back on. Oh, you're upside down, so I can't set you back on. All right, let's go to the next one. What do you want to look at? So as you see, everything is taped to everything. You keep it from moving. Alrighty, have these here. This is the come on. They did a good job of taping. Can't argue that. Actually, probably if I put my glasses on, I'll be able to see the tape better. It's amazing how that works. Okay. Maybe I should have pre-unwrapped these, but then it wouldn't be a true unboxing now, would it? Okay, so you have the pilot pod area with instrument cluster, fiberglass. Let's see if I can give you a closer up look at that. Hopefully you can see that. You can see that? Yep, yep. Okay. She's free! Alright, I'm going to be a little bit more medieval. I was trying to save the plastic, but why? Pretty thick there. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Ta-da! Uh-oh. All right. This is the, I don't know if you call this the fuselage or the pod. And this was the cover that fell out. Alright, let me give you a little closer up view there. Alright, and you see her in all her glory. This is upside down, obviously. This is the gear door. Again, unhinged. Landing gear is there. And this is the other side. Okay. All in all, looks very nice. I know there was, I looked at the Hobby Squawk is the forum for Motion RC forums, and there was a post there where someone mentioned that they had fitment problems with the upper and lower, where it would meet the wing in this area here. So hopefully that was addressed. Yep. Yeah, I think I'm seeing the same problem. Yeah, it's not a good fit. So as you see there, with the pieces on, you can see it doesn't meet very well. You see the difference in the other side is not as bad. Yeah, do it from this side. Okay. The port side isn't as bad, but the starboard side is real bad. Not even close. So that would have to be addressed. Not exactly sure how. Right here. Make sure you don't fall. This is the other boom. I won't bore you with unwrapping it. I'm sure it's the same as the other. So I'll just set that to the side for now. Let's look at the cowls. Not the move cowls, but the engine cowls. Okay, so these are not wrapped in bubble wrap, and they're wrapped in a different kind of plastic baggie. Real loose, real flimsy. But the cowl, fiberglass, seems to be cowly. I do see some imperfections there. I don't know if the camera will pick them up. Yeah, you see right there. Otherwise, it looks good. Let's look at the other one. See if there was something that's in the mold, maybe. Assuming there's only one mold, but I'm sure there isn't. No, this one looks much better. There is a slight imperfection here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, a little dimpling right there. So, other than that, it looks good. Okay, all right, whip it out the way. Let's get this out, and I'm sure underneath here are the wings. Let's throw you over there. Did that work out? Okay, cool. All right. So, yes, we have a wing. They are packaged together. Okay, here is one. I'll just do this. So, I watched I think one or two other unboxings, and I don't recall it in theirs, but yeah, it looks like the wing comes pre-weathered a bit on the top side. So you can see the weathering that's included. But no, on the under surfaces. Okay. All right, so the ailerons are pre-hinged. They're nice plastic hinges. The flaps are in place. Now, I've seen a number of posts, and there's some imperfections here too. Hold on, let me show that to you too. So on the flap detail, you can see there's something going on there, and then looks like there's something going on here. So there are some surface blemishes, and I don't know, I don't think they came in shipping, but yeah. But one of the things, the criticisms about the flaps is that they flap around during flight. So I'm gonna try them and see what happens. See if there's any way to tighten them up. I don't know. We shall see. Doop doop doop. Doop doop. Alrighty. Second wing. I wasn't going to bore you with looking at it, but since I saw those imperfections on the first one, let's take a look at the second one. Now this one looks pristine. This one is much better. So, I don't know. No complaints on this one. Alright, what are you? Are you the elevator? Tape, and there is. All right. Okay. Yep. All right. Elevator. Imperfection there. Oh, actually, no, it's probably just a screw hole to screw it to the boom. Yeah, let me give you a front view. There you go. Simulated panel lines again with this pre-printed, ironed on, I assume, sheet. But she look a good. What have we here? I know we have Canopy. Excuse me. What is this? Was ist das? Man, I need to sharpen this knife. It's the superchargers. The turbo superchargers. I think that's what they were officially called. Turbo superchargers. Superchargers. Turbo superchargers. Cool. Okay. I guess they'll get glued just on top of the booms. Look at the canopy. Look like a canopy. Look like a canopy. Look like a canopy. Alright, got a canopy. Got a pilot type dude. Hope you can see him. Oh, I'm still in the front view. Canopy. We got the counterweights and the air scoops, it looks like, and the push rod exit tube covers things. My bobbers. Whatchamajiggers. Whatchamajiggers. We got some radders. We got some radders. We got some guys that got some. Oh, cool. Looks like the rudders are pre-hinged. Yep. Are they glued in yet? Are they? Nope. They are pre-hinged and glued in. Nice. No issues on that one that I can see just yet. No issues on this one either that I can see. Nice and firmly glued in. Okie dokie. Dokie okie. Alrighty. And we have the center wing. I don't know what you call the center wing. Mid-wing? Center wing? Whoops. Knocking stuff over. Get out of there. Okay. That's the center wing. Knocked over the boom. All right. Nice. Oh, and it's got the weathering treatment too, which would only make sense. Okay. Here's the underside. Again, the flat action same deal. We'll see. We'll see how they do. They don't get good ratings. But we shall see. They actually don't seem too bad to me. Alright, let's set you out the way. Alright, what's left? We have a box of hardware, some fuel tanks. This plane can be, it can be either gas, I said gas, it can be either fuel or electric. Here, let me switch over. And you see it gives you the option there using 2-stroke, 4-stroke. I assume you will not find a gasoline engine small enough. And it gives you the hardware list for if you want to do electric. I'm going to be doing electric, so that is the way I will go. Actually, let's show you. So there's the hardware. Actually, let me show you a closer up view. Here's the hardware kit. Got some 50 cal machine guns, bunch of screws, 2 3-blade spinners, motor mounts. So it looks fairly comprehensive there. One thing I am not seeing though are any kind of hinges for those landing gear doors. I'm not seeing any. Oh no, I do see some hinges here. Maybe I'll take that back. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay, maybe the hinges are there. But yeah, if you go electric, you'll have a nice set of gas hardware, motor mounts, fuel tanks, stoppers. So, for echo. All right. And what else do we have left? We have tape to the side of the box, so be careful about throwing away the box once you pull all the other parts out. But you have tape down your wing tubes and push rods. So wing tubes, push rods. Nothing fancy dancy there. Wing tubes and push rods. Alright. And that's it. That is what's inside the box. The box is now, once I take my knife out, the box is now officially empty. Alright. So that's the unboxing of the Nexa P-38 2100 millimeter, and yeah.
I don't know that.
Be quiet, Alexa. And that's all it is to it. Alright, so my next video, I will begin the installation, assembly, whatever you want to call it, of hardware. Let me show you the hardware I've chosen so far. I have, from Hobby King, I got 2 of their prop drive. The box says 4250, but it's really 5050 prop drive. Oh, get out of there. They're 50, you can't see that, can you? Why can't you see that? 50, 50, 50, and 50 millimeter prop drive motors. What KV are they? They are 580. That's what this says. Put the specs on. Yes, 580 KV. I think you can. Can you see that? Yeah. Maybe you can see that. Why is my lighting so bad here? Okay. So I got 2 of those. 2 of dims. From Motion, they have a 7-pack. Quite convenient, of servos. So you need 7 servos for the regular control surfaces for the P-38, Then you need 2 smaller servos for the retract gears. I happen to have some HS82 metal gear servos on hand. I'll see if those will work. If not, I might order some 50 somethings, HS54, 52s. I don't even know what the numbers are. So, second motor. Also from Motion RC, I got 2 100 amp speed controllers. It's a package deal. Hopefully you can see that. These are Skywalker. What is it? Hobby Wing Skywalker 100 amp speed controllers. Now this was the set of 2 speed controllers and the UBEC or the BEC separate. I think this was for the F-18, not the A-10 or the other way around. Because they will sell you, and they have a package deal of 2 ESCs. It's basically the same, but I think the A10's leads are longer or something like that. But or maybe it was from the F-29. Maybe that was what it is. F-29, F-27, one of them. Anywho, oh actually, my list here. Yep. Did the ball bearings, free wing, programming card, battery, MiG-29. So yes. It's the free wing 80 millimeter MiG-29 ESCs and UBEC. So I went that route, and I have the programming card. So I don't know what, obviously, if these were for EDFs, they may be set up different than I needed for a prop job. All right, so that's all I got for you today, sports fans. I'm going to try to get to starting the assembly sometime this week. It may wait until the weekend. I have some other obligations in the afternoon after work throughout this week. But it looks like maybe Wednesday I might be able to break away from that. I don't know. But until then, I'm going to see what I can get, see what I can figure out what I need, what else I might need, and then I'll start the assembly, and I'll bring you right along with me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Suppose it helps the YouTube algorithm. I don't know. I'm not monetized, so whatever. And if you like the unboxing videos, like I said, I have you can't see them there, but I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more planes to do unboxing on. And 4 of these are new. I haven't flown before, but one of them I crashed. So it's a rebuild. That's my F-22. It didn't survive. It survived the maiden, but it didn't survive the next flight. So anywho, dumb thumbs. Not the plane's fault. Dumb thumbs. That's all we got. And I will see you next time, sports fans. All right. Until then, toodaloo. Take care.